Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download your Outlook address book. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load your emails and ensure everything is synced properly. This step is important because you need your account fully loaded before you can access and download your address book. Once your email has loaded completely, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the Send/Receive tab in the ribbon menu. This tab contains important options for managing how Outlook sends and receives your data. Go ahead and click on Send/Receive to open its menu. After clicking on Send/Receive, you'll see a menu appear with several options. Now look for the Send/Receive groups option and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with additional choices. From this list of options, you need to click on Download Address Book. This feature allows you to download and save all your contacts locally, which can be useful for backup purposes or if you need to work offline. Once you click on Download Address Book, a new window will appear on your screen. This is the Address Book window where you can configure your download settings. You'll notice a drop-down menu at the top of this window. Click on this drop-down to view all the email accounts currently connected to your Outlook application. If you have multiple email accounts configured in Outlook, this is where you can choose which specific account's address book you want to download. Select the email account you wish to download the address book from by clicking on it. After selecting your desired email account, simply click on the OK button at the bottom of the window. Outlook will now begin downloading your address book for the selected account. Depending on the size of your contact list, this may take a few moments to complete, so be patient while the download processes. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded your Outlook address book. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.